Hi, my name is Paul and I am a software designer. I am in the process of creating software to make Unity scripting easier, specifically for myself, but also by creating documentation and tests. I'm hoping it will help others as well. Able is a broad spread of functions that I need for the packages to come. Everything in Able is installed in a single directory under Askowl. The documentation directory contains the source code for this package. It is also available online at askowl.net. Doxygen creates more traditional type documentation when you need to look at the structure. You can find a link to it from the main site here or directly from GitHub. The next directory contains Unity editor specific source. Able includes full unit testing in a directory called examples. As the name implies, this is also the best place to look and find examples on how to use all the different functions. The real meat of the application is in the scripts directory. Anything about numbers goes in the maths directory. No library would be complete without some text processing to help with I/O. And finally, there are the Unity-specific functions.